Yep. We're definitely in the Smokies. There's elk all over the place. Let's go find some fish. Look at the antlers on that puppy. Well, after fighting off all the elk, and I'm on the trail, gonna go up about a mile, fish this river, and of course I'm in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and I have never been here before in my life, so I am looking. This has been on the bucket list for 35 years, just never gotten around to it until now. Well guys, there's a lot of water coming through here. It rained last night, but now here where it broadens out, it don't look too bad. But normal conditions, this would be probably a couple of inches lower, not a lot of holding water. Stay tuned. Okay, I've come about 1 3/4 miles from the car. This widens out a little bit. It's not so bad, rough and tumble. I'm gonna try this area, get back on the trail, go up, try to find another area, and try to catch fish on a dry fly. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Orvis Rocky Mountain. It's a 7.5 foot 4-weight with a Cortland. I don't know the model. The Cortland line. It's a double taper line, and of course I've got the Back and Kill 3 and 4 weight reel with a click, crawl, drag, excuse me, a noise maker like that. And we're going back with the Yellow Jacket. Why? The Yellow Jacket is what I found tied on my rod when I took it out of the rod tube. How's that for scientific analysis? Guys, we may have to go to plan B. There's just so much water coming down here. I'm talking about not the height, but the volume of water. They might not have woken up yet, to be honest with you. With that rain, cooler temperatures, very possible. Oh, bigger fish. And I mean, not as small. How about that? That's more like it. It is about 6 inches maybe on a good day. I gotta go find some flat spots. I am not wading up through there. This water level was about half as much volume. Yes, but no, not right now. Man, guys, this is beautiful or what? Holy cow. I was right down there at that flat. Found a little flat here. Probably go up the trail after this. Find some more. I'm just gonna pick my battles with this higher water. I gotta remember this high water, fish it all the way to the lip. May have some follows all the way back. Being almost 2 miles up the trail, I guess I've probably filtered out 95% of the competition fishermen. Ah, come on. There we go. And there he was. Okay, now we're talking. This is more like what I expected. A small one, but at least he gave me a little bit of a heartbeat. Little rainbow. And figure out how, there we go. Yep, little bow. Thank you very much. Thanks for playing. Come back soon. Oh, my Yellow Jacket fly is getting tore completely up. I done used this same fly on about 3 trips, 4 trips, man. It is getting devastated. That was more like it. Now, 2 or 3 more inches, That fish is probably 8. Might not be a bust after all. I'll be honest with you. I'm beginning to have my doubts. Yeah. Hit these couple of places and then do it again. So far on the trail, I've seen 3 hikers. That's it. No fishing rods. This is good. Guys, this is Labor Day weekend. This is Labor Day. Campground was full. The trailhead's at the end of a campground. And I was like, man, there's gonna be people fishing this today. That's the reason I decided to hike up. Maybe I didn't have to after all. Well, I also wanted to get some, you know, some fish that aren't hammered on a regular basis. And I'd say next to the campground, they probably are. Oh, there he goes. Okay, not micro, not micro. Got ourselves a little brown trout here, guys. Yeah, oh man, pretty. Okay. Okay, this is more like what I was coming for. That right there. Yeah. Good old Great Smokies brown trout. Yes, sir. I'll take that one any day. What beauty. What? There's things that should be starting to spawn in the next month. Then they'll get really pretty. Yeah, he was back here in the back where I kind of thought one would be. And there goes another one, but that one was a lot smaller than that last one. Black currant's all jumbled up. There it goes. Not as big, but not a dink. Or not a micro trout. Felt like that first one I caught. A rainbow. Get back where you were. Nice. A little bigger would be better, but I ain't gonna complain about that. Guys, I think they're waking up. I think they're waking up. Man, I was having my doubts. Oh, I was having my doubts. They're starting to come up though. This is nice. This is what I wanted. Here we go again. Okay, still not huge. You know, but we're talking in that 7 range, 10 range. Well, he's about 7, maybe a little bit more than 7. A little bit more, it's about an 8. Like it matters. Ah, can't get a grip on him. Anyway, there you go. I love it, guys. This is what I came here for. You know, dry flies in the Smoky Mountain. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh, definitely, definitely. This is, man, what, the water is so beautiful. Everything about this place is different from any other place. I've never been here before, guys, and I'm catching fish. Whew, I love it. Oh shoot, not a bad one. I was picking it up to cast. I had given up. Yeah, I put some floatant on it. I think that was small. That was not. Well, it is small, but ain't a micro. He just got out of micro hood. That's it, micro hood. Child hood, micro hood, little rainbow. Nice. Right where he's supposed to be, and he came up. Tell you what, guys, after that last video, this is a joy to fish. I'm not getting hung up every other cast. There we go, not bad. Not better than I expected out of that little back part. Not bad at all. Where are you going? Where are you? He went. Where'd he go? He's right here somewhere. He went around my leg twice. Between my legs, around one leg. Gotta love it. A little bigger rainbow. Nice. Okay. Oh man. Right in that little nothing spot. Oh, okay. Guys, I think we're getting into them here. I think they woke up. Now we'll see what's in here as far as size goes. A lot of these, 6, 7 inches, 8 inches, a lot of those. Oh shoot! About like those last couple, well, about like that last fish, maybe a little bit bigger. He came up and hit it. I felt him though. He ain't coming back up. Of course, I say that. Man, here of lately, I've had a few fish that hit it, got off, and then turned around and hit it again. Man, I gotta come back up here when the water's lower. No doubt. Guys, there's fish in here. Haven't got any real big ones yet. That one rainbow was nice. Okay, right there. He was there. Same size. Maybe he likes a little smaller, but not a micro, not a micro. Again, another one. Just out of micro hood. Now it starts to back eddy right there. Oh, one came. I don't know how big he was. Right when I picked it, right when it left the water, there was a swirl. Very small swirl. Well, fish, if you'd hit it sooner. Oh, no! Broke me off. Oh, that was probably a 10. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Dang it, it's right where it's supposed to be. Oh well. Let's retie. Okay. Going back, of course, with a yellow jacket fly that the markings, the black marks have rubbed off, faded, but it's working. He ain't gonna have any of it. I don't blame him. Nice though, that was fun. I wish I'd have caught him that. I think he would have been, I think it was a decent, unlike this one, micro. Micro alert. What do you have here? Itsy bitsy rainbow. Y'all get the idea. Put about a size 1 hook on him. Catch the 20 incher I can't seem to get to come up, hit my dry fly, right? Finally, where we're right beside the trail. Guys, okay, those are the 5th people. That is 4th and 5th. Man and his wife, they're just hiking. I doubt they're fishing. Guys, I got this to myself, man. Anyway, trail comes right beside the river for a while. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 good looking spots. Maybe hit the one above it. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, let's just get this thing right over here out. Start here. So Derek, you're upstream of them. They can see you. Well, that water is pretty busy. And they might, but then again, what if they don't? So you know what? I'll just go ahead and give it a shot. Probably gonna be a dink over there. I can't see the fly half the time. Probably a waste of time for me to do this. But I'm here. I can get to it. You know what I mean? A little bitty one pecked at it. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Oh, like I said, fish it all the way back. And he was right there. He just missed it. He just flat out missed it. I don't know if he refused it at the last minute or he just, his aim was, he ain't woke up yet. His aim wasn't that good. Okay. Back to another yellow jacket. This one's a little smaller. I don't think it's gonna matter. I don't even think it matters if it's yellow jacket. Didn't expect anything much right there. But I'll cover it before I stand over there. This right here looks like the spot. And it was. Oh, no, no, no. Dude, you gotta quit losing fish. He hit it right as it was going over the lip. Just like I said they would. Well, battery died. I just met that gentleman right up there fishing. He's walking up. Tristan, buddy, if you're watching this video, it was really nice meeting you, man. Nice talking with you. Very nice. Guys, that sun's coming up on the water. And since I've been here, these fish slowly started turning on. There, oh, dang it, Derek. He was right there. Oh, he darted. There he goes. Small, but it's a fish. Guys, I've been standing here, right here, waiting for the battery to recharge on the GoPro. And it's just a little, you know, the usual little rainbow. But anyway, right here walking back and forth and talking to Tristan up there. Look at that. Didn't scare the fish at all. But Mr. Tristan there was, he's in camo, he's in dull colored clothes. Didn't spook the fish. Oh, shoot, I'm missing way too many fish. What the heck is going on here? Whew. Well, decided to head back down. And I'm going to hit a couple of spots that I bypassed up. Okay. Now I'm downstream from where I started fishing. So I know I haven't hit this. This is a good looking little piece of river right here. A little better. For a little bit. Got it. There we go. There we go. About like a lot of the other ones. Come on, man. Where's your 14-inch cousin, dude? Those little rainbows. They wiggle like crazy. Gotta be some fish in here that haven't been caught. So I finally got out of the weeds. Oh, cool. Oh, that was... Oh, man. I can catch fish, but man, I can't. Not any size to them. Oh, golly. Dang it. Yeah, we're back. A little brown. There we go. Oh, that was... Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. Golly. Dang it, that was a better fish. That was a better fish. It looks like he just totally missed it. No, no, oh, come on, fish. Man, they're killing me, guys. They're killing me. A little beetle. See if that works. Oh, it did. He took it right there. And I had so much slack I couldn't get a good hook set. He took it right in my feet. He liked it. Well, going back with another different, I think my only remaining yellow jacket fly. One left in a fish, one left in a tree. One I gave to a stranger. I've caught fish today. I'm fine. So I got this one left. Let's see what happens. Anyway, I'm downstream from where I was. It's run into another river. Matter of fact, the river I was fishing was a tributary of this main river. There's a lot of water in here. Big water. It's summertime. Even though it did cool off past few days, these fish probably aren't going to want to play. Oh, that was not a bad fish at all. That was not a bad fish at all. Dang. That's about a 12-incher right there, dudes. Man, he just didn't take it. Interested. They're all on this yellow jacket this morning, but golly, it slowed. I think they just slowed down eating. It's summertime. What the heck do you expect, Mr. Porter? Shoot. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, man. I can't. Oh, my gosh. This is a contender for the title, guys. Like, oh, no, it's not even a trout. Freaking bait. A little creek chub. Ah. Another yellow jacket. This one has been beat up. It's been through the ringer. Well, I've had a little bit of action. I can't complain. Had a couple of bites. Landed a nice, decent fish. Wouldn't apologize for. Not here in the southeast. So, yeah, we're good. I ain't fished an hour. I don't think. Maybe an hour. Yeah, there you go. Not bad. Not as good as that last one, but not bad. Not bad at all. Hey, he's not bad. Derek, say it one more time. Okay. I'll let y'all see it before he flips off. I'm here fishing. Oh, he took it solid. Really? I'll be dang, dude. All right. Fat little, man, 10, about like that other one. That's my kind of fish right there, pal. Whew. Oh yeah, I was picking up. I was picking it. It sunk. Oh, it got off. Oh man. Yep. Started this trip out. I said fish it all the way to the very bitter end, and I didn't. He was right there where he should have been. They ain't going after this thing at all. I put in some pretty good, decent looking spots. Ah, shoot. Oh, holy cow, what was that? What the heck? That was a big freaking trout. That was a big freaking trout right there. I'm talking about 18 inches. He's sitting right there. Son of a gun. The heck was that about? What's he doing up there? Don't tell me he's looking for grasshoppers. Ah, he was right there. Fish. Ah, man. Right where he should not be. Okay, went with a standard old elk hair caddis. And that's what I'm gonna go with. I break off again. I'm going home. I am tired. I am freaking tired. Guys, that wraps it up. I think I'll go home by the parkway as usual. And I'll see y'all there. Y'all knew I was gonna do this. Okay. I was fishing somewhere over there. Guys, great day. Didn't catch any really big fish, but you know, 7-10 inchers out of that creek. Again, I'd never fished there before. It was good to see what it was like, even though, man, if that water hadn't have been as high, that would have been much better, much easier, and I think the fish would have been more conducive to dry flies, but still caught fish. I'm not complaining. Fished a place I'd never even seen, never laid eyes on, and I caught some trout. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the journey. Appreciate you guys coming with me, and like and subscribe and all that. It helps out, guys. It really does. It motivates me. It does. It motivates me when I see people subscribing and views on my, man, I go, hey, there's somebody someone actually likes this crazy stuff. But anyway, you guys take care. Hope to see you on the water soon.